Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Lower interest rate environment, the outlook for business development companies, or BDCs for short, like Monroe Capital Corp, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol MRCC, remains solid. Interest rates are coming down, but are expected to remain well above the pre-healthcare crisis levels. The day of near zero interest rates are pretty much over. And because the US economy is going to avoid a recession and achieve a soft landing, BDCs are expected to start issuing more debt. This continues to be great news for BDCs, or what we like to call alternative banks here at Income Investors. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Just as a little background, BDCs, they're essentially like traditional financial institutions, but they invest in privately owned small and medium-sized companies that get overlooked by the big banks. Like a venture capital or private equity fund, BDCs generate income when the companies they invest in are sold. Now, a lot of well-known companies have benefited from the help of BDCs, including the likes of Facebook, Etsy, and YouTube.
BDCs don't just provide much needed capital to private businesses. They also provide income investors with frothy distribution. And this is because they have to legally distribute 90% of their taxable income to shareholders in form of a dividend. So, John, let's talk about Monroe Capital Corp. What do they do?
Monroe Capital is an alternative bank that provides a senior unitranche, junior secured and subordinated debt financing, and minority equity investments, primarily to lower middle market companies in the US and Canada. Now, the company holds debt equity investments in, as of this recording, 94 portfolio companies with a total fair value of $485.8 million. Now, the average loan investment size per company is around $5 million. First lien loans make up a little slightly more than 81% of the portfolio. Now, the portfolio is diversified across industries, including real estate, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, business services, high tech, media, and banking, amongst others.
And the lending environment continues to reward Monroe Capital.
Yeah, absolutely. For the second quarter ended June 30th, 2024, Monroe Capital announced that net investment income advanced 20% on a sequential basis to $6.5 million or 30 cents per share. Now, adjusted net investment income grew 22% over the first quarter to $6.6 million or 31 cents per share. And total investment income inched up to $15.6 million compared to $15.2 million in the first quarter. Now, net asset value slipped 10 cents per share or 1.1% to $199.3 million or $9.20 per share.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, along with its solid financial results, this BDC declared its 17th consecutive quarterly dividend of 25 cents per share.
Yeah, the company's third quarter distribution of 25 cents per share translates into an annual distribution of $1 per share for a forward yield of 12.36%. Now, the ultra high yield dividend is not an anomaly or a result of a crashing share price. Quite the opposite. The 5-year average dividend yield is 12.79%.
With the big dividend, MRCC shares are also at record levels.
Yeah, MRCC stock has been trending steadily higher since November 2023. Now, that's when the Federal Reserve announced it was done raising interest rates and that rate cuts were on the horizon. Now, since the start of November 2023, MRC stock has rallied, as of this recording, more than 30%. Now, MRCC stock actually hit a new record high of $8.41 this past August 17th and continues to trade near that level. MRC stock is currently up 22% year to date and 24.5% year over year. Robust gains indeed, but Wall Street thinks Monroe Capital stock will hit fresh highs over the coming quarters, with analysts providing a 12-month share price target of $9 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, Monroe Capital Corp is a great BDC with a diversified portfolio anchored primarily by first lien senior secured loans. Thanks to a strong balance sheet and reliable income stream, Monroe Capital has been able to provide investors with a reliable ultra high yield dividend for years. MRCC stock has been on the move since November 2023 and is expected to hit additional fresh highs over the coming quarters. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.